Good morning. So, I dated someone in the past who had a small, tiny little cough. Every morning he got up, it was just constant. And so I gave him a message to take immune system vitamins, and it went away. And I always knew when he ran out because he was coughing again, but he couldn't afford it, so I used to buy it for him. I have given this message to multiple customers when I was working for call centers. It works with that tiny cough. It doesn't matter if you're a smoker, non smoker, asthmatic. I want to leave you with that. Peace.